AI isn't just powering your favorite apps, it is also becoming a hacker's secret weapon. Imagine malware that learns your defenses or phishing emails so convincing that even you might fall for them. Scary, right? Let's dive into how hackers are using artificial intelligence to outsmart even the most advanced security systems. So, what exactly is AI in cybercrime? In simple terms, it is when attackers use machine learning algorithms and automations to enhance the efficiency and success rate of their attacks. Unlike traditional cyber threats, these AI driven attacks can adapt, learn, and evolve in real time. There are few terms which are used in these attacks, like machine learning, that allows malware to learn from network traffic patterns and avoid detection. NLP, that is natural language processing, helps generate highly convincing phishing messages. And deepfake technology that alters videos or audios to impersonate real people for fraud or blackmail. Let's understand how hackers are using AI with real world examples. First one is automated phishing attacks. Hackers use NLP to create phishing emails that mimic real human behavior. Example, AI can analyze your social media activity and craft personalized scam messages that look like they are from friends or coworkers. Second, AI powered malware. Malware can now adapt to detection mechanism using machine learning. Example, the Deep Locker malware by IBM hides malicious payloads and activates only under specific conditions like facial recognition of the victim. Third one, deepfake attacks. Hackers use AI to create convincing fake videos or audio clips. Example, a company CEO's voice could be mimicked to authorize fraudulent transactions. Fourth one, password cracking algorithms. AI algorithms predict passwords faster by analyzing common user behavior. Tools like PassGAN can guess passwords by learning from previously leaked data breaches. Let's understand how to protect yourself from AI powered cyber threats. Advanced threat detections. Use security software that incorporate behavior analysis and AI based threat detection. Multi factor authentication. Prevent unauthorized access even if AI cracked your password. Be wary of phishing scams. Double check suspicious emails, specifically those asking for sensitive information. Regular security updates. Keep your software, operating systems, and device updated to close vulnerability AI malware could exploit. AI is reshaping the world of cybersecurity, but not just for the good guys. As cybercriminals become smarter, so must we. Staying informed is the first line of defense, and want to learn more about protecting yourself from cutting edge cyber threats? Hit the like button and subscribe for more insights.